Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into Project Makeover and want to level up your experience, you're going to love this. Stick around until the end because I'm showing you something really cool. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss future updates. So today, I'm showing you the brand new Project Makeover mod that works on both Android and iOS devices. It's super easy to use and gives you some amazing features. There's a mod menu you can open by tapping the gear icon in-game. From there, you'll find the main feature: unlimited gems and coins. Yep, you heard that right. Watch closely. As you can see, I'm activating the mod now. And boom, all the resources are instantly added to the account. It's that simple. No grinding, no waiting. And there are a few other tweaks available in the menu that let you customize your gameplay even more. Now, if you're wondering how to get this mod on your own device, here's how. Open any browser you like. On iOS, I'm using Safari. Go to tweakcake.com. Once you're there, use the search bar or scroll to find the Project Makeover mod. Tap on it and follow the steps shown. It's quick and straightforward. There are also extra instructions on the site in case you need help. I've also left a comment below explaining exactly where to find the mod, so check that out too. Thanks for watching. If this worked for you, leave a comment and let others know. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. See you next time.